finding the inverse of a function, you simply equate the function that you have been given to letter y and make x the subject of the formula. So in this question, this power of -1 is what makes this question to be called the inverse of a function. So this one is read as the function f inverse of x. So for you to be able to get the inverse of any function, and here I'm talking about functions such as f of x, h of x, and g of x, you simply equate the function that you are given in question to letter y and make x the subject of the formula. So for this one here, we are going to equate this one to letter y. So we are saying letter y is equal to 3x minus 2 everything divided by 5. Then we make x the subject of the formula. So this side here, we can make it a fraction dividing it with 1, and then we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we are going to have 3x minus 2 this side. The other side, we multiply 5 times y, and then we get our 5y. And then this minus 2 will have to go the other side. So we have 3x is equal to 5y plus a 2. And then we are still remaining with a 3 here. So we get rid of it by dividing with a 3 both sides. So we divide with 3 here, and also that one it divides. So we remain with our x. X is going to be equal to 5y plus 2 everything divided by 3. So we have made x the subject of the formula in this question. Therefore, this is what becomes the function f inverse of x. So this is how we write it. So we say therefore the function f inverse of x is equal to 5x plus 2 everything divided by 3. So where there's letter y, that is where we are going to put our x in our final answer. So this becomes the function f inverse of x. Then for the second part, the function f inverse of -4, we are going to use the function f inverse of x that we have found here as our formula. We are not going to use that one because this one is just a normal function, but we are going to use this one because this part and that part are the same. But where there's x in that formula, that is where we are going to put a -4. So we are going to begin by writing the function f inverse of x. So the function f inverse of x, which we have just found here, is equal to 5x plus 2 everything divided by 3. And then here we are looking for the function f inverse of -4, which we are going to find by substituting. Where there is x, we are going to put this -4. So here we'll have 5 open brackets, we bring our -4 plus 2, everything is divided by a 3. So when this one is calculated, 5 multiplied by -4 is going to be a -20 plus 2, everything divided by 3. And then this is what is going to give us a -18 divided by 3, and then it gives us a -6. So this is how we get the function inverse of x and also the function f inverse of any number that we have been asked to find.